Hey guys, it's me again. This time I'm working on something different. I'm working on a Dodge Grand Caravan and O3, and the problem I have is the speedometer is going crazy nuts and it's shifting not properly. It's not shifting here properly. So I brought it here and uh, I ran a diagnostic and I got a code, a PO 720, which means your speed sensor is bad, it's not performing properly. I'm gonna go over here and show you where the speed sensor is located. Okay, here I'm on the driver's side and the front wheel, and that's where the sensor is located. I'm gonna try to get a better picture for you. Hope you can see it. Alright, this is where the sensor is at. You push these wires here. Right there is the sensor. Right here, where my screwdriver is at. That's the sensor. Right there. That's the sensor I'm changing. And I'm gonna change that today. And when this sensor go bad, the car use this the car use the transmission output speed sensor to determine how fast the car is moving. If this system is malfunctioning, your transmission may have trouble shifting, and the speedometer may work. It may not work properly, and I believe that's the problem I have. And here's where the bad boy is at, right there. To remove this is just it's hard to work on this, but I'll try my best. You just get the flathead screwdriver is attached to this transmission case or cover, and then here's the electrical wire. You just pop it off with a flat screwdriver, just like that. You get it off where it was attached, pop it off. Then we have a electric connector to the sensor. Again, your flathead screwdriver gonna come handy again. It's easy. You just get the white plastic, push it down, you push it, and it come right off. Now, here we got the sensor that I'm replacing. Get my wrench, my socket, try to squeeze it in there and just push the wires around. You get it there. You just break it loose, And this thing is now, it's just a plastic. Remember that it's a plastic, is not tight. Really, it's not really tight like that. You just put. There you go. Just there you go. You break it loose, and it's just a plastic. You break it loose, and it keep turning. Get it off of there. think I can do this by hand. Alright, I'm gonna take it off now. Alright, I think I got it. Here it is. And remember that it's just a piece of plastic.